In this screencast, I'm going to talk about how to work with baseball data. I've got the data from Lahman.com. The documentation is here, and what I've done is I went and got the 2013 beta version, the Microsoft Access version of that. I downloaded it and I extracted the zipped file, and let's take a look at the Access database. First thing to note is that there are a whole bunch of different tables. I'm looking at the batting table, but there are several others. Let's look at batting for a moment. Player ID is the crucial one, and so here, Hank Aaron, first year in Major League Baseball, 1954. He was playing for Milwaukee, 122 games, etc. So there's a whole bunch of statistics on Hank Aaron, and our challenge is to create lifetime statistics for this for him. Oh, let me just note that there's also team data. So if I go to team data, I can see I don't know, the Chicago, Boston, etc. Starting from 1871, and I've got the number of games they played, etc., etc. Okay, so I've downloaded the data, and I've opened it up into Excel, and let me talk about what we've got here and show you where we want to go. So here's data from here's the batting data, and then I've taken that and put it into a pivot table, and from the pivot table I've got total at bats here for Hank Aaron, and I've got 23 years, I've got 3,771 hits. Then I want to work with this information. So for Aaron did not play in 2013, so I've only got the players who played in 2013. Got the total number of bats that they had up through 2013. So here, this person has 1,423. Let's see if we can find somebody who we recognize. So, well, we'll leave it at that. Okay, so count of year ID is the number of years they've been in the league thus far. Number of hits. This must be a pitcher here. His batting average is 0 lifetime. Then I construct pre-2013 data. So this is this is at bats not counting what happened in 2013. And notice the number of years is 1 year less, so that's because they only played through 3 years before 2013, 4 years including 2013, and the number of hits that they had prior to 2013. So this person had about 97 hits, it looks like, in 2013, 325 at the end of 2013, 228 at the end of 2012. From that I want to calculate the batting average, I want to put in salary, and then I want to take data which looks like this, kind of a mess here if you see NA, and then convert it to something that looks like this, which is a lot easier to read in a sense. So that's where I want to head. Next we'll see how we can do that.